Hello everyone, this is Julian. Now before you take a listen to this presentation, please take a listen to the audio file which I'm attaching to my post. That is the audio recording sample which I did for a voice acting audition that I had a few months back. I had never had experience doing any voice acting, but I was told that I would be good at it. So I did the recording, and then the company sent me a message back that they liked my samples, so I was called in to do an in-person interview. But unfortunately, that didn't go so great. I had to do public service announcements and read a few commercials, and it was pretty tough because I had to keep the same intonation throughout the long recordings, and I had to think about keeping that same intonation. And it was a pretty difficult task because I was such a novice. And I'm actually posting a couple of those commercials below just in case you were interested in what I was recording. While it would have been nice to have gotten accepted for the job as a voice actor, I knew that I was out of my element while I was doing the recordings. If I ever try again, I think I would need some more practice. Thank you for listening.